girl's a wonder. She loves me as she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back for another video. This is Mela. So if you're new here, you're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, let me share to you what I love about Nigeria. First one, Nigerians are very optimistic and hardworking. Of what is happening right now in Nigeria, politics, economic troubles, struggles, Nigerians somehow among of the optimistic and happy people. Nigeria, the opportunity doesn't just come to them, they chase it, and they believe that they will get it by force. That's why they work so hard. Yeah, they double or they triple their hard work. They can endure the hardship, and they believe that they can survive it. There are some women that they keep telling their man, Nigerian man, that if not because of me, you will not get money. So Nigerian men, they can always find ways wherever they go, even if that situation is too difficult, but they always find ways. Like, my people should not be complaining, or we should be thankful that our government is providing some, at least they're providing something from us. Because if you experience the struggle in Nigeria, you will see that I will go back to my country. Because Nigerians are hardworking. Sometimes, they even fight. The last time we went to Balogun Market, one guy was accompanying us to go to different shops if we're checking for our senator or we're checking for Ankara. So there's one guy that keeps on, bringing us to the store. So another guy also came and helped us. So both of them were fighting already who will take the money, because once they go with you, and they will bring you to those shops, of course you will give them some money. So now they're fighting already who will take the money in that shop, because he said that I'm the one that came first, and this one you don't know the place, so I bring them there. So now they're fighting just because of small money. The struggle they hustle so much, and that's why if you have little money that you have, you just give them, because it's not easy. So the next one is Nigerian attire. I think a lot of women will agree, especially for those women that likes fabric, African fabric or Ankara fabric. Not only Ankara, they have a lot like lace, those common ones. Normally Ankara, lace, those George, they use it to wrapper. And also for, I don't know the man, for senator, Atiku. I don't know if I pronounce it well, Atiku. Yeah, so that one is for men. If you go to their market, you see a lot of those things. Some are cheap, some are expensive. It depends on the quality. But normally Ankara is well-known fabric and worn around the world. So a lot of foreign women likes to wear it because it's very attractive and colorful. Yeah. The next one is food. I think this one that I enjoy the most though. Plenty food day for Nigeria. You can enjoy Nigeria if you like food though. Like me. When I visited Nigeria, I want to taste everything, like everything. So my husband kept saying, small now. Next day. Like at that time also, because I'm very curious, so because he keeps telling that about bushmeat. So they said that it's very sweet. So he brought some bush rabbit. At first I was hesitant to eat because it looks I don't know, it looks like a rat to me. He was making pepper soup that time, so it will be like it will be spicy. So when I saw it, it looks so sweet also. I did rasham. I even gave my father-in-law, but Papa, he's very picky when it comes to food. He just say no, thank you. But Mama, I give her the isiawi, so that is the head. So Mama can eat everything as well. But Papa, he's very picky when it comes to food. That time, I even want to try that grass cutter, but they're not selling that time. Yeah, so the one that is available, the one that they catch it like that time is only the bush rabbit. So yeah, my husband bought that one and make a wee pepper soup. Yeah, pepper soup. The last one is traditions. Nigeria has a very interesting culture and traditions. Just like the masquerade. It was my first time to see masquerade that time. We were walking, going to the highway, and yeah, the masquerade was there. My sister-in-law was waiting also for the masquerade. So when they saw us, and the masquerade was running towards us, so my sister-in-law was saying, "Run, run, run, run!" So
Relax, yeah. You're welcome.
No, don't.
Why did they run now? I thought something.
I don't even know if I will run as well, because I was so scared. Because you see, the masquerade can run so fast. So with those, we want to beat those people. So yeah, but my husband said no, don't run. So the other guy also with the masquerade said no run, no run. So they're okay. Oh. So I just videoed them. That's why I'm showing the video. Yeah. So but at first I was so scared because that my sister-in-law runs so fast and say run, run, run. So yeah, I don't know also what will I do if I will run or not, because I don't know Seth why she's running. And also one interesting also about spraying of money in Philippine culture. We only give envelope, or if you want to give to the groom and bride, you put them in their gown or in their suit. Yeah, so they still have a lot of culture and traditions, but those are the two that I experience. Like I see it in my eyes as also. One thing that they always do as well, they always greet to, like always say good morning, good morning. Even if it's not morning, they keep saying good morning. So I just respond to them. Like maybe in a day you will have 30 or 50 good morning or good afternoon. And also every morning, if after I brush and then I go outside, I always go greet mama and papa, like Ebola Chima, Ebola Chipa. Yeah, so what else? Also after you eat, yeah, so you go there, you bring your plates, you wash, and after that you say thank you ma, or you thank you pa. Yeah, thank you for preparing the food or bringing us the preparing food for us. Yeah, so I think that's all because it's my first time travel in Nigeria. So yeah, don't see a lot of things yet, but sure I'll be traveling, and by the grace of God, maybe we will live there one day. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. So please, if you have anything, share why you love Nigeria in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching.